Hey everybody, Brooke back here, another recipe organizer. Flip through, and this one is a little smaller, 8.5 instead of 9 by 2. And this one is made of, it's not fabric, it's just paper, scrapbook paper wrap that has been sealed several times. And it has a closure, bulldog clip, whatever you want to call it, with, I'm trying to see here, handmade with love and a stand mixer. I'm gonna clip this back on while I show you the side and back. And there's the side, or the spine, and the back, handmade. Okay. And this one looks like there's a extra piece in there. Same thing, same tag, temperature chart, and measure. And you got appetizers, same 12, but this one has no sewing in it, so a little faster to make. And you got sides, soup and salad. I like this paper. Beef, chicken, and these are left kind of junk journal-y where you can add all kinds of stuff. Pork. And if you want, you can cover this up and make it your own. Seafood. And dessert. I love this. And desserts. And then you have the cooking terms and pantry basics tag in the back. Some graph paper. And there we go. And this one I don't really have a theme. I don't know. This one is also available on Etsy. Thank you for watching.